Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue faced by Windows 10 users, battery drain. If you're experiencing rapid battery drain on your Windows 10 device, don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple solutions. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Step 1. Press the Start button to open the Start menu. Step 2. Search for Control Panel and press Enter. This will open the Control Panel. Step 3. Click on Power Options to access the power settings. Step 4. Set the preferred plan to Power Saver. This will optimize your device's power usage and help reduce battery drain. Another solution to consider is optimizing your device's performance settings. Step 1. Press the Start button to open the Start menu. Step 2. Type Performance and click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Step 3. In the window that opens, select Adjust for best performance. This will prioritize performance over visual effects, potentially reducing battery drain. Step 4. Press Apply and then OK to save the changes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can fix the issue of battery drain on your Windows 10 device. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.